Welcome back to Vietnam channels, and today we are diving into an exquisite selection of Agarwood chips. Our chips have high resin, which are made of the inside part of Agarwood cheese grown in Hà Tĩnh province of Vietnam. And here we've got Agarwood chips, which are categorized into three different grades: OWC1, OWC2, and OWC3. Number one on the list is our Wood Chip Super Special Triple A Plus OWC1. Here is it. This is our best-selling and best quality in collection. They are made from wood cheese over 30 years old. These chips feature a rich dark brown to super black color. This type has the strongest smell when it's burned. It's a combination of strong sweet, honey smell, and earthy notes, with a deep woody essence. Next is our Wood Chips Grade Special OWC2. Here is it. This one is made of the wood cheese over 25 years old. These chips have a slightly lighter dark color and a milder scent compared to the first grade. The smell of this type is lighter than grade 1, but it still has a bittersweet, spicy, and woody aroma smell, enough to relax and bring to you the comfortable feeling. And the last one will be our Wood Chip Grade A Plus OWC3. Here is it. And this one is made of the wood cheese over 20 years old. And of course, the color and the scent of this type will be lighter than the two previous ones. Totally, all of these three types are special and suitable for using in daily life or even on special days. Thank you guys so much for joining with us in this video. Please contact us via WhatsApp number to experience more high quality Vietnamese Agarwood products. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channels. Thank you so much, and see you guys in next video.